Hello friends, Tanya here for Spellbinders. Today I'm going to play with the Spellbinders December 2022 APG of the Month kit. This is the Sweetheart envelope and note card set. It creates a beautiful envelope and shaped card that will fit a gift card. Now, if you look back in your stash, you'll find that there was a very similar die set for the December of 2021 APG of the month. The size is the same, and I bet there are some of these components that would be interchangeable. I'm going to pull out this year's version and we're going to play with it. Now, I just decided to do some die cutting. There's this 2-layer heart here. We've got the solid and the very delicate detail piece. And I've cut those out in a dark color and a light color that happen to be spritzed with mica spray stains. I love that stuff. And I glued those together. Now we're going to create the shaped card. So we're going to take this die and add the score line pieces in the die cut. And this is designed so that you have the maximum flexibility with this die set. We'll add this detailed die to the tip of the card, and this will create a beautiful detail to the fold over part. I also die cut this shape with just the fold line to show you what that looks like. And here's a beautiful detailed piece, and I'll crease that also. Again, this will fit a gift card. It's a great inclusion card for a gift. And that heart fits in that shape, the pointed shape, perfectly. Now I'm going to take this pink colored cardstock that's spritzed with mica stains, and I'm going to show you how this fits perfectly behind our filigree die cut tip here. I'm just going to add some fine tip glue to all of those pieces. Not every piece, just some strategic spots, and add this heart to back the beautiful die cut dropout. And this makes the inside of the card look lovely too. And I did take the better looking side of this die cut and face that to the inside of the card. And it is beautiful through our die cut also. Next, we're going to take some pattern paper and we're going to die cut the envelope die. Again, we're going to use the little score line dies that you drop into the little notches and secure with some tape. And you can see that there's a pretty scalloped and pierced element to the flap on this die. I think it's going to be just beautiful. It would look good in white even also. Now we're going to center in that same very detailed die here. Just using a little piece of tape to secure it on one end. And that's what it looks like when it's all die cut. We'll crease on those score lines that were created with the dies. I'm going to crease the side flaps. And then we will add some adhesive to those flaps. And you can see again that heart will fit perfectly over the beautiful design here. I really like that element about this die set. It really adds some ease to the construction of these and makes it super easy. I think I said that a few times now. We'll just drop that heart on top. Just want to make sure that you don't put the glue too far away from the edges of the detailed die cut. I did find that it was better to add the glue to the edges of the heart than it was to do it around the die cut, the detailed die cut. Again, just some glue on those flaps, lining those edges up with the edges of the flaps up with the edges of the envelope body. And then you can see that this card fits in here just beautifully. I really like how these matched together. I was going for a pink snowflake look here, but it would certainly make a beautiful love card, anniversary card, or Valentine's card. Here we're going with another snowflakey type look, and I decided to use some shimmery white cardstock and some glitter cardstock for the different layers of the heart that are going on the inclusion card that go inside of this envelope. The envelope for this one was created with some Christmassy snowflake pattern paper from my stash also. And I backed the front of that one with just a plain white piece of cardstock. And here we have both of those envelopes and inclusion cards. I didn't get super creative with this, but I think the intended use of this die set is just perfect for all of those last minute gift cards that you need to wrap before the holiday season. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down in the below. If you're interested in the pot products that I used today, check the description box. They will be listed and linked there as always. Until next time, here are a couple more videos I thought you might enjoy. Bye-bye.